Okay, today we're going to be having a look at SAP CRM processes deployed using Sky Mobile on an iPhone. So let me start our Sky Mobile application by launching the Sky icon. As you can see, the Sky Mobile presentation client for iPhone is developed purely for the iPhone to make use of its large graphical user interface and some of the unique navigation techniques that apply to the iPhone smartphone. So let me sign in by selecting our demo user and coming here to the main menu. Today, in terms of application, let's have a look at a sales activity and we'll create an order as we do that. So in order to begin, we use the large buttons, the touchscreen interface with the iPhone to go into our activity menu. I want to see today's activities, and you can see here there are two customers that I need to visit. Before I visit the customer, I can go in, I can display their details, I can see their phone number, I can see how regularly I call them. I could even go in and display their contacts. I can call them, make sure they're ready for my visit. When I'm ready to visit them, I select the icon and go in and actually visit them. As I can see in my previous visit notes, last time I was here I got the order, which is fantastic. Today's visit, of course, has gone great, so I want to create another order. So I select the order menu, and as you can see here, the customer details have defaulted in for me. The ship to address has been maintained. I can go in and display header details. I can create the PO number, and you can see we make use of the iPhone keyboard as you would expect. I could also go in and do a credit check on this customer before I take the order, make sure there's no problems with the order itself. This credit check is doing a real-time call to SAP. So here we see the credit limit is fine, the credit exposure is under where it needs to be. So from here I go back, I could take some more text here if I wanted to come through into the order, and I go back. Now I want to add items to my order. Coming into the item screen, I can see some of the items that are available to me. I can easily change and navigate based on different product selection criteria. In this instance, I want to order one of these bicycles, so I can select that and actually go in and see, again in real time to SAP, yes, I have some stock at hand. So that being fine, I want to add some details. I can go back. I'm happy with that. He only wanted the one set of bikes. I can display a summary. Here with the summary, I've got a quantity, I've got an order price that's been calculated for me. I go back and I can complete my order. Am I sure? Absolutely. Now that I've got my order, I can update my visit notes again. I got a small order this time, so I can record those details. I can go back now. I don't need to do a survey today, so I can skip that task and I can complete. Am I sure? Absolutely. When do I want to see them again? Well, I see them fortnightly, so it's calculated the date and it's calculated the time. I can make that a nice round number. Done. That's now complete. My visit process is now been executed, and you can see it's been removed from today's activities. Okay, other activities that you would expect to be able to do is, for example, go and have a look at a sales history. What orders have I taken in the past? I could limit that to a particular customer if I choose to, but not today. I could also go and do an online price check. For example, if I was to enter my material that I just ordered, I can do a price check. And you can see there, that's again a synchronous call to SAP, making use of my SAP pricing conditions. That's all I wanted to show you for today. As per all of our applications, this can be deployed on any smartphone device. This is just an example to show you how we can make use of the very easy to use, very easy to navigate iPhone platform in order to deploy a very simple, in this case, CRM process, but making use of your existing SAP infrastructure. As we've talked about, Sky Mobile is deployed middleware free, extending SAP out into the field to give you the most use of your SAP environment, not replicating your SAP processes and leaving a deployment or a mobile deployment of your CRM system rather than replacing your CRM system.